How to cash out from Coinbase. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cash out from Coinbase. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is open up your Coinbase. Make sure you're logged in into your account as well. After you're there, you can tap on My Assets at the bottom bar and you should see all of your assets. So from there, you can scroll down. And there you can find whichever asset that you want to sell or cash out from. So in this case, I'll just select Bitcoin. And right there, you can see how much Bitcoin I have or how much its current rate is and everything. So simply tap on the sell option. And after you tap on the sell option, you can type in the amount and everything, and you can sell that amount. So tap on place order. Then your order will be placed and it will basically be pending. You can just go back to your assets and you can see My Cash section. From there, select your USD. And after you do that, all you have to do is tap on cash out. After you tap on cash out, you can select the amount that you want to cash out. So we'll just use the $5 that we just used from the Bitcoin there. And after you tap on the cash out option, you can choose the bank or you can choose how you want to or where you want your $5 at. Then you can tap on cash out now and you're basically done. That's how you cash out from Coinbase. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.